Hi everyone, Cheeky Tam here. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be making a reindeer out of pipe cleaners. This becomes this. It's very simple. Last year you might remember I made a snowman. I will leave a link to that video below or here or somewhere. Something you probably don't know about me is that I'm slightly obsessed with sparkly reindeers. I don't know why this is. I'm really attracted to them. Not in a weird way, but I just really like them. This is the first reindeer I ever got, and at the time I thought, wow, he looks super classy. Actually, he does look a little bit evil though. He looks classy but also evil. Pretty much like people, they can look classy and evil at the same time. But this is my favourite sparkly reindeer here. Every time I touch him I get glitter on me, but it's totally worth it. So let's get started. It's simple, it's cheap, and it's something that the kids can do at Christmas. How many pipe cleaners you need depends on how thick the pipe cleaners are. You're going to bulk up the reindeer with excess pipe cleaners. First up, I start with the legs. To make legs, fold this in half and then half again. Cut the pipe cleaner in half. Try and make sure that these are even because otherwise he's going to stand wonky. Then cut that in half once again. Fold these both in half. That's his legs. That looks like a reindeer already, doesn't it? Next up, we're going to do the body. You need to fold this into 3 even parts and fold it onto itself. And then just twist this all together. Fold up a little bit at the end, and that is going to be his tail right there. With this part, we've got to make the body, the neck, and the head. So that's about right. Put on his front legs, and to attach those to the body, pull it down firmly and twist. And do the same with the back legs. At this stage it looks like a stick reindeer. So as you can see, he already stands up. Now we're going to do the antlers and the ears. For the antlers, you're going to fold a pipe cleaner in half and fold it in half again. Cut that off, wrap them around his head evenly, pull it up tightly and twist it around his head, just like you did with the legs. So then you're just going to bend these at whatever angle you want, really. Once you've got this base, you can pretty much see how this can become a beautiful little sparkly reindeer. Cut off another section from that bent pipe cleaner, fold that in half again, cut that in half. Now I'm going to add this to the end of his antler bit and just twist that around as well. Don't worry about this too much. You can bend these later into position and make it look better. For ears, you're also going to just get a little bit of folded up pipe cleaner cut. For this part, just put it over his little snout and then fold it back behind the antlers. You don't actually really notice these much on the reindeer, but you want him to have ears. Now all you do is thicken it up with other pipe cleaners that you have. And for that process, it's very simple. You just basically wrap it around his face and his body and his neck. You just go around and around. See, you're making his face better. You twist this a little bit tighter around the snout to give him more of a profiled feature. And do the same with the neck and the body. As you're going down though, probably try and hook it over other features just to make it sure that this is really secured to him and he won't fall apart on you. You want to make sure that you thicken up his legs as well. Look at that. See, that pipe cleaner is bigger than the other one. Where did I even get this one from? Oh no, maybe it just feels like that. Go around the body. I'm not going to go around the tail though. I'm going to leave that quite light and sparse because it looks more proportional that way. So you'll need quite a few pipe cleaners to thicken up his body. It is a little bit fiddly, but it's very, very basic and simple to make. If you have made any mistakes, remember they are pipe cleaners, so if you don't like his body, you think it's too long and strange, squash it up and hide it with some more pipe cleaners. Put one more pipe cleaner around his hindquarters and I'm done. Fattened his hindquarters up a little bit, giving a bit of a booty butt. So this is the end result, and as you can see, these are going to look beautiful and sparkly on the Christmas tree, and they're very, very simple to make. And I think You could probably even make a better reindeer than that. Let me know. If you want to put these on your Christmas tree, just get one of these little metal hanger things, or you can get a little piece of fishing line and attach it to him. Attach it to the front part of his body more, because remember, he's going to be a little bit heavier at the front because he's got more there. Let me know if you've attempted to make one of these little reindeers. I think they look really, really cute, and they're a lot of fun to make around Christmas. On Christmas Day, you can also leave pipe cleaners around the Christmas table and make one of these, and also keep the kids really entertained at the Christmas dinner table when they just want to run off and go and kill their brothers and sisters. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to support me and my channel, please remember to share this video, give it the thumbs up, and subscribe for more. Merry Christmas. Bye.